End bad governance.
Now. End poverty.
End poverty.
Now.
End hardship.
Now.
End bad governance.
Now.
End the killings in Benue.
Now.
End the killings in Plateau.
Now.
End the killings in Zamfara.
Now.
People are dying.
Now.
People are dying.
Now.
People are dying. President Tinubu.
A luta continua. A luta. Continua. Vitória. Assada.
End genocide,
No.
end hardship,
No.
end bad governance,
No.
end Benue genocide,
No.
end Plateau genocide,
No.
end Maiduguri genocide, end bad governance, end hardship.
No.
Another challenge here.
Another challenge.